DSP Native Campaign Creatives. In the Creatives tab of your native campaign configuration, you can upload and edit your creative assets. Click Upload Creatives on the left-hand side to start. Before uploading creatives or adding headlines or description to your ads, it's good to hover over the question marks to read through the tooltips. Here you can learn more about ad exchange requirements. Once you know them, fill in the headlines field by adding a catchy phrase which will draw attention. If you'd like to add dynamic macros that will populate text with keywords relevant to the user's location or device, use the macros listed in the Available Tokens section. You can save time and bulk upload your creative assets. You may type more than one headline by entering a separate line, and Voluum will combine each copy with each creative, providing you with several combinations of your ads. The main image is the typical advert banner. Here you can drop creative files or choose from your device by clicking on Select Files. Remember that most of ad exchanges are able to resize images to fit. So, they work with minimum sizes. Best practice is to use image pixel sizes minimum 750 by 750 and 1200 by 627. By doing this, you'll cover 90% of request requirements, and the system will be able to match and bid on your creatives and campaign. But keep in mind that there are some ad exchanges which will require the exact size of the creative. Description is a longer blurb about the product. Ad exchanges have different requirements in terms of number of characters, so it's worth to check the tooltip bulb. In the brand field, add the name of the product or offer. Call to action is a short statement recommending the user to do something. For example, click here. An image icon is a small image that users may recognize a brand or product by. The pixels for this should be 1:1 ratio with a maximum file size of 50 kilobytes. Once uploaded, click on Create. You can then preview, edit, or delete your creatives when they appear below. Once you're happy with your campaign setup, click Save to finalize it. Before going live, the campaign must be approved by a member of the Volume DSP compliance team. This is to ensure that we adhere to the rules and regulations of the ad exchanges we work with. Thank you for watching.